Have you ever felt weighed down by negative energy, as if an invisible cloud is following you around? Perhaps you've noticed that your mood, thoughts, or even your physical health seems to dip for no apparent reason. These experiences can be deeply unsettling, but what if I told you that there is a way to clear this negativity and restore a sense of peace and vitality in your life? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating and empowering practice of cleansing your aura. This simple yet profound process can help you release negative energy, attract positive vibes, and elevate your overall well-being. First, let's understand what an aura is. Your aura is an invisible field of energy that surrounds your body. It's like a personal bubble that reflects your physical, emotional, and spiritual state. This energy field interacts with the environment and people around you, absorbing and reflecting different energies. When your aura is clear and strong, you feel vibrant, balanced, and full of life. However, when it becomes cluttered with negative energy, you may experience feelings of fatigue, stress, or even physical ailments. So how can we cleanse this essential part of ourselves? The process of cleansing your aura involves various techniques that help you remove negative energy and replenish your aura with positive, healing energy. These methods are simple and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Let's delve into some of the most effective ways to cleanse your aura. One of the most powerful methods is through meditation. Meditation helps you connect with your inner self, bringing clarity and peace to your mind and energy field. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Imagine a bright white light surrounding your body. Visualize this light growing stronger and brighter, pushing away any darkness or negativity. As you breathe in, feel the light filling your body with positive energy. As you breathe out, imagine any negative energy being released and dissolved. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes in this meditative state, allowing the light to cleanse and rejuvenate your aura. Another effective technique is the use of water. Water has a natural ability to cleanse and purify. Taking a bath or shower with the intention of cleansing your aura can be incredibly powerful. As you stand under the water, visualize it washing away any negative energy clinging to your aura. Imagine the water turning into a bright, healing light that envelops your entire body. Feel the negativity being washed away, leaving you refreshed and revitalized. You can enhance this experience by adding sea salt or essential oils to your bath, as they have additional cleansing properties. Nature also provides a wonderful way to cleanse your aura. Spending time outdoors, especially in natural settings like forests, mountains, or near bodies of water, can help you release negative energy and absorb positive vibes. Take a walk in the park, sit by a river, or simply stand barefoot on the grass. As you connect with nature, imagine the earth's energy flowing into your body, grounding and balancing your aura. Feel the fresh air and natural surroundings replenishing your energy field with vitality and peace. Smudging is another ancient practice that can effectively cleanse your aura. This involves burning herbs like sage, Palo Santo, or cedar, and using the smoke to purify your energy field. Light the herb and let it smolder, producing a steady stream of smoke. Gently wave the smoke around your body, starting from your head and moving down to your feet. As you do this, set the intention of removing any negative energy and replacing it with positive, healing energy. the smoke will carry away the negativity, leaving your aura clear and vibrant. Crystals are also powerful tools for aura cleansing. Certain crystals have unique properties that can help remove negative energy and enhance your aura. Clear quartz, amethyst, and black tourmaline are some of the most effective crystals for this purpose. Hold the crystal in your hand, close your eyes, and set the intention of cleansing your aura. Visualize the crystal emitting a bright, healing light that surrounds your body, dissolving any negativity. You can also place crystals around your home or wear them as jewelry to keep your aura continuously cleansed and protected. Sound healing is another powerful method to cleanse your aura. The vibrations from sound can help break up and disperse negative energy. You can use singing bowls, tuning forks, or even your own voice to create healing sounds. Sit in a comfortable position and play the instrument or chant a mantra. As the sound resonates, imagine it penetrating your aura, breaking up any negative energy and filling your energy field with positive vibrations. Allow the sound to wash over you, cleansing and recharging your aura. Regular physical exercise is also beneficial for maintaining a clear and vibrant aura. Exercise helps to release physical and emotional tension, which can otherwise accumulate and cloud your aura. Whether it's yoga, running, dancing, or any other form of physical activity, find something that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. As you move your body, imagine any negative energy being released through your sweat and breath, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized. Breathing exercises can also be incredibly effective for aura cleansing. Deep, mindful breathing helps to oxygenate your body and clear your mind, promoting a sense of calm and balance. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a few seconds, then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension or negativity. Repeat this process for several minutes, focusing on your breath and the sensation of cleansing and rejuvenation it brings. Incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine can also help to cleanse and strengthen your aura. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that can help to reprogram your mind and energy field with positive, uplifting energy. Start your day by looking in the mirror and repeating affirmations such as, "I am surrounded by positive energy. My aura is clear and vibrant," or "I attract positivity and abundance." As you say these affirmations, believe in their power and feel the positive energy infusing your aura. Visualization is another powerful tool for aura cleansing. Your mind is incredibly powerful, and by using visualization techniques, you can direct healing energy to your aura. Close your eyes and imagine a bright golden light surrounding your body. See this light growing stronger and brighter, pushing away any darkness or negativity. Visualize the light filling your entire body, bringing a sense of peace, clarity, and vitality. Spend a few minutes each day practicing this visualization, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your energy levels and overall well-being. Maintaining a healthy diet and staying hydrated is also essential for keeping your aura clear and vibrant. The food and drink you consume have a direct impact on your energy field. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help to nourish your body and support a healthy aura. Drinking plenty of water is also crucial, as it helps to flush out toxins and keep your energy field hydrated and vibrant. Practicing gratitude is another powerful way to cleanse your aura. Gratitude helps to shift your focus from negative to positive, raising your vibration and attracting positive energy. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Write them down in a journal or simply say them out loud. As you practice gratitude, feel the positive energy filling your aura and pushing away any negativity. Spending time with positive, uplifting people can also have a significant impact on your aura. The energy of those around you can influence your own energy field. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you, and limit your time with those who drain your energy. As you spend time with positive people, their energy will help to cleanse and strengthen your aura. Engaging in creative activities can also help to cleanse your aura. Creativity allows you to express yourself and release any pent-up emotions or negative energy. Whether it's painting, writing, dancing, or playing music, find a creative outlet that you enjoy and make time for it regularly. As you engage in creative activities, imagine any negative energy being released and replaced with positive, healing energy. Practicing forgiveness is another powerful way to cleanse your aura. Holding on to grudges and resentment can create negative energy that clouds your aura. Take some time to reflect on any past hurts or grievances and make a conscious effort to let them go. Forgive yourself and others, and release any negative emotions associated with these experiences. As you practice forgiveness, feel the weight of negativity lifting from your aura, leaving you feeling lighter and more at peace. Using essential oils can also be beneficial for aura cleansing. Essential oils like lavender, frankincense, and eucalyptus have powerful cleansing properties. You can use them in a diffuser, add a few drops to your bath, or apply them directly to your skin. As you inhale the soothing scents, imagine the essential oils purifying your aura and filling it with positive, healing energy. Regularly cleansing your living space can also help to maintain a clear and vibrant aura. Your environment has a direct impact on your energy field. Keep your home clean and clutter-free, and regularly smudge or use essential oils to cleanse the space. As you clean your living space, set the intention of removing any negative energy and creating a positive, uplifting environment. Practicing self-care is also essential for maintaining a healthy aura. Taking time to nurture and care for yourself helps to keep your energy field balanced and vibrant. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's taking a bath, reading a book, or spending time in nature. As you practice self-care, imagine your aura being replenished with positive, healing energy. Listening to uplifting music can also have a powerful impact on your aura. Music has the ability to shift your energy and elevate your mood. Find music that resonates with you and makes you feel good. As you listen, imagine the music's vibrations cleansing and rejuvenating your aura. Practicing mindfulness can also help to keep your aura clear and balanced. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment and fully aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. By practicing mindfulness, you can become more attuned to your energy field and recognize when it needs cleansing. Take a few moments each day to practice mindfulness, whether it's through meditation, deep breathing, or simply paying attention to your surroundings. Engaging in acts of kindness can also help to cleanse your aura. Kindness generates positive energy and raises your vibration. Look for opportunities to help others. whether it's through volunteering, offering a kind word, or simply smiling at someone. As you engage in acts of kindness, feel the positive energy flowing through you and cleansing your aura. Practicing grounding techniques can also help to cleanse and balance your aura. Grounding involves connecting with the Earth's energy to stabilize and strengthen your energy field. One simple grounding technique is to stand barefoot on the grass or soil and imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth. Feel the Earth's energy flowing up through your roots, grounding and balancing your aura. Using visualization techniques to create an energy shield can also help to protect and cleanse your aura. Close your eyes and imagine a protective shield of light surrounding your body. See this shield as a barrier that prevents negative energy from entering your aura while allowing positive energy to flow freely. Visualize this shield growing stronger and brighter, providing a constant source of protection and cleansing for your aura. Regularly practicing energy healing techniques can also help to maintain a clear and vibrant aura. Techniques like Reiki, acupuncture, and Qigong work to balance and cleanse your energy field. Consider seeking out a qualified practitioner or learning these techniques yourself to incorporate them into your self-care routine. Finally, developing a regular spiritual practice can help to keep your aura clear and vibrant. Whether it's through prayer, meditation, or connecting with a higher power, a spiritual practice can provide a sense of peace and purpose that strengthens your aura. Find a practice that resonates with you and make it a regular part of your life. Cleansing your aura is a powerful and empowering practice that can help you release negative energy, attract positive vibes, and elevate your overall well-being. By incorporating these simple techniques into your daily routine, you can maintain a clear and vibrant aura that supports your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Remember, your aura is a reflection of your inner state, so take the time to nurture and care for it. You deserve to feel vibrant, balanced, and full of life. Embrace the power of aura cleansing and watch as your energy field transforms, bringing you a greater sense of peace, clarity, and vitality.